Hello and welcome to our video on the best surf fishing reels. Whether you're an experienced angler or just starting out, having the right equipment can make all the difference when it comes to reeling in that big catch. In this video, we'll be exploring some of the top surf fishing reels on the market, their features, and why they stand out from the rest. We spent more than a week analyzing reviews from professionals and testers from our team, and the results of that research are available in this video. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video.
Number 1. Penn Spinfisher 5 Spinning Reel. The Penn Spinfisher 5 Spinning Reel is almost the perfect choice for the beginner surf angler. The only real drawback is the price point. This reel can handle even the roughest seas, biggest fish, and most beginner mistakes, like dropping it in the ocean, laying it in the sand, etc. Hook up to a big cod or a ray, and you'll find out right away how responsive and tough this reel is. The drag is spectacular, with carbon fiber drag washers included, ensuring it doesn't slip or lock up. The sealed bearings mean less worry of salt water and sand getting inside the reel housing. The handle can be interchanged from right to left-handed as needed. Instant anti-reverse kicks in at the first touch of a bite, keeping the line from slackening at all. Hookups are solid. Give this reel a try if you are able to meet the higher price point. The 5+1 sealed stainless steel ball bearing system offers maximized durability and performance over time. Number 2. Quantum Cabo Saltwater Spinning Fishing Reel. One of our most popular saltwater reels, the Cabo Size 40 Spinning Reel, is designed with an aluminum body and T-Mag titanium fail-proof bale wire with a magnetic trip that's built for long-lasting, fish-stopping performance. The Quantum Cabo line of saltwater reels has an all-aluminum body and a titanium bale with a magnetic trip. It has the durability and muscle to handle most of what the surf has to offer. The reel has proprietary salt guard technology to keep it from corroding, and the bearings are protected with anti-corrosion coating. A super smooth retrieve and anti-reverse clutch make for immediate hook sets without any line slippage. Take this reel to the beach and spend the day catching everything from sea perch to barracudas. The reel will do the work, and if it fails, Quantum has a 5-year warranty on defects and material issues. Number 3. Penn Slammer 3 Spinning Reel. The Slammer 3 is a solid choice for a surf reel. Built like a tank, this reel feels like it's indestructible. A sealed main body, sealed bearings, and all-metal construction keep this reel in great shape trip after trip. Penn has included the proprietary DurDrag system on this model, with the larger 9,500 and 10,500 models going up to a full 60 pounds of smooth drag. That will stop pretty much everything but a bus. The sealed bearings and body keep it free of salt water and sand, making it a perfect choice for surf fishing. The 2016 ICAST Awards ranked this reel the best saltwater reel of the year. That says something for it. The best part of this exceptionally durable reel is the ability to last for years with basic care. You can have a reel that will cast like new after 5 years if you maintain it well. It's a very high quality reel and will keep you in fish for a long time.
Number 4. Cast King Sharky 3 Fishing Reel. The Cast King Sharky 3 is a great reel for the price. The number of bearings on this thing keeps it moving smoothly. A smooth drag of up to 39.5 pounds is unheard of on such an inexpensive reel. That strength makes landing bigger fish a possibility, time and again. Targeting saltwater fish with this reel couldn't be easier. Just remember to rinse with fresh water when you're done to avoid corrosion. The bearings aren't completely sealed, meaning they are shielded from water and sand but not completely protected. That can come to a head if you haven't been maintaining the reel diligently after each use. Rinse and oil it regularly to avoid any issues. The bale might hit the top of the reel if the spool is at the top, but this is a minor inconvenience based on the price. Keep an eye on it, and you should be fine. Keep in mind that the components of this reel aren't as high quality as the more expensive saltwater spinning reels on this list, so more maintenance is required to keep its handling at a high level. Number 5. Daiwa BG 8000 BG Saltwater Spinning Reel. The Daiwa BG Saltwater is an excellent reel with an affordable entry price. The drag is waterproof, with the implementation of a high-quality carbon ATD drag system. The body and side cover are made from industrial-grade hard bodies material to provide the maximum amount of strength and durability. Fishing with the BG is a fun experience. The reel is super smooth, easy to cast, and offers premium features in a budget price range. The larger saltwater spinning reels, above 4,500, provide a 33-pound drag and an infinite dual anti-reverse clutch system. No more losing fish because the line slipped on the hook set. The spool is dynamically cut aluminum. The reel features a breathable air rotor that cuts a significant amount of weight from the reel. Test it out yourself and share your thoughts with us.